Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we have pretty quiet conditions in store for today for most of us, and then it looks like things will kind of pick up overnight tonight. Our rain chances today, there aren't much there, but there is a chance mainly across northern Nebraska and even a very small chance around the Tri-Cities around the middle part of the day. I think most of us, though, will stay fairly dry out there with partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies and a little bit of patchy fog out there this morning. Things will start to really get into shape here later on this afternoon after about 4 or 5 o'clock. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible first off there in southeast Nebraska, but then also back towards the northwest here, where we're going to be looking at showers and storms. And in fact, any of those areas have a chance of some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. We're especially going to need to watch for some wind damage of a threat out in western parts of Nebraska there as those showers and storms push south and southeastward here. Could be a bit of a damaging wind threat, even a large hail threat. But showers and storms will continue to overspread the area overnight tonight right through tomorrow morning. Some heavy rain is going to be possible along with that severe weather threat in some locations. And then heading into the day tomorrow, we kind of wind down those shower chances here to just a 20% chance in the morning, and then even less than that as we get towards the afternoon hours. And those showers and storms really wind down as we get into Friday evening here, and we'll see a mainly dry forecast in store for the weekend. So first off, there's a flash flood watch out from 7 o'clock this evening until 7 o'clock Friday morning for Lancaster, Gage, Saline, Jefferson County, over into Odo County, Pawnee, Johnson, Nemaha, Richardson County here in Nebraska. So could be again some heavy rains, and those are areas that have been so saturated over the past 7 weeks or so, really. So we could use a drying period. Unfortunately, more rain on the way, and of course the flood warnings continuing along the Platte River, where we've had those waters out of the banks for quite some time. So this is a change, actually. It came through a little bit early, and I'm glad I didn't record before this change here because it was a big change. Earlier this morning, just had a marginal risk for most of us of severe weather. Well, now, many of us south of the interstate and west of the Tri-Cities have a slight risk of severe weather with an enhanced risk out in western parts of Nebraska. And where that enhanced risk is in place, damaging wind gusts could be a bit of an issue out there. Some straight line winds could be quite strong. All those areas, the rest of the areas that are under that slight risk, damaging winds possible, also some large hail a possibility. Not much of a tornado threat, though, as we head through the evening and overnight hours tonight. And again, this is mostly going to be a nighttime threat for most of us, maybe late afternoon. Highs for today, upper 70s, lower 80s. That's probably the best chance of daytime rain up in northern parts of the viewing area. To the west, I'll go with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. I'll keep it dry, partly to mostly cloudy. Really, any other area has a small chance of rain today, just not a great chance during the daytime hours. Better chances tonight. Lower 80s around the Tri-Cities, upper 80s and low to mid 90s in northern Kansas as that heat still tries to linger around just a bit here, and then low to mid 80s for most of southeast Nebraska with upper 80s down in Belleville, Kansas. Your extended forecast, we'll be looking at temperatures falling off even more for tomorrow. Again, a good chance of showers and storms overnight tonight, winding down throughout the day on Friday. 78 for a high, back to 82 on Saturday, 87 on Sunday. So feeling pretty good over the weekend, a little warmer on Sunday. For now, I've gone with dry conditions. It's not out of the question that maybe we see a shower or storm Saturday night, Sunday morning in eastern parts of the viewing area. I'll keep it dry one more day for Monday, and then showers and storms return not so much on Tuesday, maybe a late afternoon chance, but better chances Tuesday night and into the day on Wednesday, but especially Tuesday night there as temperatures kind of remain in the mid 80s, and so not too far off from average highs this time of the year. So there's your forecast for today. Could be a busy 24 hours in the flooding department, and maybe even a little bit of severe weather out there as well. Something to keep in mind here as we go through the next 24 hours. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Thursday.